Lambaza once. Beda makakasa. Tikavamu.
It is cute.
It's cute. Do you know Hanika? Mommy and Hanika. The other white lady. Sister Hanika. Omuyidi Mama Hanika. Ole yeida natocha kwera bidoli mugundi omuzungu. So say thanks to her.
I say a big thank you. Thank you and my God bless you.
Amen. So you can open your gifts. More. That one. And you have to keep it.
I used to admire one of these girls. Hey.
Really?
Yes.
Now they're in your hands.
Now the bag.
The bag, let me open it for you. So you have to read here so that you understand each and everything. Okay?
Yes. I repeat my thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. May God bless you.
Amen.
I wish I can see you again.
Yeah, she's going to come back.
Bye-bye.